Gretchen Esther Whitmer, born August 23, 1971, is an American politician serving as the 49th Governor of Michigan. A member of the Democratic Party, she served in the Michigan House of Representatives from 2001 to 2006 and in the Michigan Senate from 2006 to 2015. Whitmer was born and raised in Michigan. She graduated from Forest Hill Central High School near Grand Rapids, Michigan State University, and the Michigan State University College of Law. She ran unsuccessfully for the State House in the 1990s before being elected in 2000. In 2006 she became a state senator, a position she kept until term limits forced her to step down in 2015. She was the Senate's first female Democratic leader from 2011 to 2015. In 2013, Whitmer gained national attention for a floor speech during a debate on abortion in which she shared her experience of being sexually assaulted. For 6 months in 2016, she was the county prosecutor for Ingham County. Whitmer was elected governor in the 2018 gubernatorial election, defeating Republican Attorney General Bill Scoot. As governor, Whitmer has focused on healthcare and infrastructure. In February 2020, she was selected to give the Democratic response to President Donald Trump's 2020 State of the Union address. Gretchen Whitmer was born in 1971 in Lansing, Michigan and is the eldest of 3 children to Sharon H. Sherry Reisig and Richard Whitmer, who were both lawyers. 1-2, her father served as head of the state's Department of Commerce under Governor William Milliken and was the president and CEO of Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan between 1988 and 2006. 3. Whitmer's mother worked as an assistant attorney general under Michigan Attorney General Frank Kelly. 4. Her parents divorced when she was 10 years old. She and her siblings moved with their mother to Grand Rapids. Her father traveled from his home in Detroit to visit the family at least once a week. 5. Whitmer graduated from Forest Hill Central High School, just outside Grand Rapids. 6. She earned a Bachelor of Arts in Communications from Michigan State University in 1993 and a Juris Doctor from Detroit College of Law at Michigan State University in 1998. 7. Whitmer originally ran for the Michigan House of Representatives in the 1990s but was unsuccessful. 8. In 2000, she tried again and was elected to represent the 23rd Legislative District. She was re-elected in 2002 and 2004. 9. In March 2006, Whitmer left the State House and became a state senator. She was elected and re-elected in 2006 and 2010. In 2011, Whitmer's Democratic colleagues unanimously chose her to be the Senate Democratic leader, making her the first woman to lead a party caucus in the Senate. She continued in that role for the remainder of her time there. 4. Due to term limits, Whitmer was unable to run for re-election in 2014 and left office in 2015. 10. In 2013, she received national recognition when she discussed her experience of being sexually assaulted. 11. She told the story during a debate about abortion rights, particularly for victims of rape, arguing victims should be allowed to terminate pregnancies which resulted from rape. 12. On May 11, 2016, it was announced that the judges of Michigan's 30th Judicial Circuit Court had unanimously selected Whitmer to serve the remaining 6 months of the term of outgoing Ingham County Prosecutor Stuart Dunnings 313, after he was arrested on March 14, 2016, and charged with 11 counts of involvement with a prostitute and 4 counts of willful neglect of duty. 14. In a letter dated March 29, 2016, Dunnings announced he would resign effective July 2. 15. On June 21, 2016, Whitmer was administered the oath of office as prosecutor by Ingham County Circuit Court Chief Judge Janelle Lawless. She said her top priorities during her 6 months of service would be to determine if any other officials in the prosecutor's office knew about Dunnings's alleged crimes and to change how the office handled domestic violence and sexual assault cases. 16. On July 22, 2016, Whitmer issued an 11-page report on whether Dunnings's alleged criminal activity had affected cases handled by the office. The report concluded that employees were never asked to compromise a case or look the other way and that she had full confidence that any problem that had existed in this office left with Mr. Dunnings. 17-18, Whitmer's term expired on December 31, 2016. On January 3, 2017, Whitmer announced she would run in the 2018 Michigan gubernatorial race. 19. On August 7, 2018, Whitmer became the Democratic nominee for governor of Michigan. 20. She won all 83 counties in the state in the Democratic primary. 21.